So this is the back of the Smith house.
Hey guys, this is John from Over the Hill Hiker. Welcome to my Joseph Smith boyhood home hike video. Just kind of walking around the homes that Joseph Smith grew up in while he was in Palmyra, New York. Hope you enjoy.
Alright, I'm heading out of here. Heading to Smith. I guess the newest of the Smith houses. And then I'll walk past the Smith cabin on the way out of here. The other thing that I wanted to see while I was in town is I think I might go by the print shop where the Book of Mormon was printed. So this is looking towards the visitor center. Right there in the center of the screen, you can see the old Smith cabin. I guess this would have all been farmland in front of me. And then this is the Smith house and some of the outbuildings. Barn right there, some other outbuildings. We'll check it out. Smith house, working shop it looks like. And this would have been their barn. Very neat. Walk over and check the house out. So this is the back of the Smith house. Would have been their well right there. Would have been their garden. It's really cute. All right, I'm taking off. Cool area. Go check out the old cabin. So you can see the log cabin is in front of me. My assumption is the road that we're on right here is probably the old road that used to go through this area. The Palmyra temple right there. That was super cool. First time I came here, the temple hadn't been built. They had talked about building it, but anyways, hadn't been built, so it's fun to see all the stuff that has gone on. So right there in front of me would be the Sacred Grove. Across that, all those trees right there. There's a little stream that runs kind of at the bottom of this land. Really cool. Alright, this would have been their well back in the day, where the old house was. The Smiths had a lot of kids. Cannot imagine having as many kids as they did in this little thing. I guess you stay warm. the garden. It's really cool. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna head into Manchester and see where the Book of Mormon was printed. Then I think I'm gonna get out of here. Grateful for the opportunity to come here and experience this.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And like always, appreciate you guys. Thank you.